Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making Thai waffles. I'll be showing you the ingredients that we need to make it. First we have 400 grams of coconut milk, 500 grams of flour. This is all-purpose flour, by the way. 400 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of yeast, and corn, a cup. So first we're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. Let's get this little flour. Oh, I almost spilled it on the table. I almost had a heart attack. We got the flour. Now, there goes the sugar. Lots and lots of sugar. Smells good. Next, add sugar and yeast.
Salt and yeast.
Ooh. Put the salt and yeast back there and continue the mixing. Mix. What's our next ingredient? We'll be adding the coconut milk in a little bit. Alright then, now I guess it's time to add the coconut milk, so let's go ahead. There we go. Coconut milk. Mix it up. And if your batter is too thick, you have to add 400 milligrams of milk. Mix it up. It's getting very unsettling. And about that, right here. Okay, and after you mix it very well, it's time to add the coloring. You can use food coloring, but we're going to use pandan leaves for it smells better. But it's just darkening. Pandan leaves. And I also like how it gives it a distinct green color. Like it's real. Mix. Smells so good. Mix it until it fully dissolves. Okay, now that it's fully dissolved, we're going to add 2 eggs. One Mix, mix. Alright, it looks thoroughly mixed. Now to add the corn. Don't got the bowl. Now it's time to let the waffle maker warm up, and when this thing turns green, then it's ready. And we can go ahead and open this little hatch and let it eat. Alright, now it's time to make the waffles. Oh, it's green now. Let's check on it. And okay, so let's give it a little flip around. Now we should go back to Alright. So here's our waffle, fully cooked. And I guess it's fully cooked now. So the first time it was too thick, so this time our mom helped us. So let's see. Ooh.
Show mommy the first one. Oh, the first one's over here.
It's not cooking. Look at it.
How's the waffle?
Waffle? And what did I just say?
How's the waffle, baby?
I'm trying to that big voice of getting. It burned my finger!
Good job.